Hi and welcome back to the second part of the Golfhole tutorial. In this tutorial part I show you how you do the golf hole and you make the grass around the hole. Okay, let's just move this golf ball we just created to another layer, and let's start the screencast keys so you can see what I'm doing here. I want the mouse as text. Okay, let's move this to layer 4 and no, move to layer 4. Okay, now we have it. Okay, let's recenter the 3D cursor and just add right now a cylinder with no cap fill types. This means nothing, we don't need this. And that's the hole. We set it to smooth, and that's just the hole. Then we go into edit mode. We select this top circle here, and we extrude it and we scale it out like this. Then you can select this inner circle again, press P and selection. Then we have our hole and we have the floor for the grass. Okay, the next thing is we have to set up particle system. For this we go to particle settings here, we add a new particle system, and we change the type to hair, and we go to advanced, and that the grass is going upwards. You can rotate this ring here, rotate epsilon by y by 90. No, this one, not this one, this one here. Rotate y 90. No, sorry. Rotate y 180. Then it's up. But now we have to move it up, and we have to find the right place for it. So undo that and just go into the normal recalculation and flip the direction, and voila, the grass is growing up. So the numbers 1000 would be fine. We're going to uncheck even distribution, random, and the size, let's try 0.095. That's okay. And zoom in a little bit like this. Okay, and now in the velocity there is normally all fine. Let's set the rotation, and rotation random, and the physics, we don't need to change something, and go down to children, simple, and just we have to change a little bit. Let's minus 0.58, the shape minus 0.565, and let's the radius is okay around this, a little bit, 0.3, something like that, be fine. And randomness, yes, a little bit of randomness as well. This is 0.04, be fine. And the other settings, like the default settings. And to render this in cycles, we need to go to our render settings, and we have to change, first we have to change the render type here to cycles, and CPU and experimental. And then you have in the particle system, you have this here, cycles hair rendering. And I let the settings like they are. Default settings are okay. Now press 7 and press Control 7. So you are going to look from down side of the model. And with Control Alt 0 we put the camera in there. So now we have to place our camera and we have to change the settings a little bit of the camera. First we want the focal length to 24 and the camera preset to Canon 5D. And that's it for the camera settings. Now let's move out a little bit like this, a little bit more like this. Now you have the grass and the hole. Now we switch, we add the layer with our golf ball, and with the golf ball selected, we move the golf ball up and we scale it down like this. We move it here and above the grass, a little bit in the grass, so it should be fine. Let's have a look, and yeah, there it is, but in the wrong place. I want it here. I want this guy here. So it sits on the top of the grass on the golf course, and it's near the hole. Okay, that's it for our grass and the golf hole. In the next tutorial we are going to set up the material for the grass. It's real easy, but there's a few tricks which I really like, but more of this in the next tutorial. See you, bye.